Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and I wanted to do a quick demonstration for those of you that are looking for a quick and effective way to clean seats for interiors for customers, whether it's for yourself or for customers. A lot of times we feel like the only way to clean seats is to extract them completely. Some people will use kind of a spotting technique where they'll come in, kind of spray a cleaner, come in with a microfiber, agitate it. But what can happen sometimes if you spray too thick of a solution, what'll happen is you'll kind of get this like clean ring here. And then you'll end up having almost the dirt be pushed to the outskirts, and as it dries, you'll have kind of this ring of dirt around the now clean spot. I call it a clean spot, but it's still a spot you've kind of just pushed your dirt to the outskirts, blotted up the clean part. What I find it's better is to actually do bonnet cleaning on the entire seat. That way, as everything dries, it's clean and consistent. So I'm just going to share real quick how I would use this technique. I have my GG6 with a 5-inch backing plate. This is actually a pad that was sent to me from Ian Remmelkamp over at Autofiber. He has a bunch of different kind of prototypes that he's worked with. And honestly, I've been really enjoying this one just because when you're doing some sort of bonnet cleaning method, you want something that's thick, absorbent, because as you're taking your dirt off of the surface and transferring it to the pad, you want to have one, work time with your solution, and two, you want something plush. You don't want a flat microfiber. That way you can absorb a lot of that dirt. And I'm also using Bonnet Pro Rocket Revive It. Now this is a end cap solution, and it is also a bonnet cleaning solution. What happens is it will actually kind of help pull the dirt to the surface, crystallize it. It helps kind of encapsulate it, and then you can transfer it to your bonnet. But then even as it dries, future times that you vacuum it, it's going to allow that crystallized dirt now to be vacuumed up, and your carpets, your seats will actually appear brighter and just more clean over time. So like I said, we're just going to come in here and do a good saturation of our seats. And I can very quickly get around this entire vehicle. I don't have to break out an extractor. I don't have to worry about clean spots. I don't have to worry about things not drying fast enough before the customer comes and picks it up and kind of having a musty smell. Especially in the winter times, this is a great way to clean seats when you don't want to have to battle dry times. But here, we're just going to kind of put some on our pad. And you can see we've got a little bit of soiling on here. They weren't too terribly dirty, but now I've refreshened the whole surface consistently. When things dry, we'll have a nice, clean, consistent finish. I won't have the risk of spotting, but I also don't have to break out the extractor just for kind of light staining. I can just remove a majority of that surface dirt, put it onto my pad, let it dry. Next time the customer vacuums a vehicle, it's going to even continue to go after more dirt. It doesn't leave behind a sticky residue. It's a hydrogen peroxide, citrus-based, pH neutral detergent that is fantastic for bonnet cleaning, carpet cleaning, etc. So hopefully that helps some of you guys out as we battle stains, as we battle interiors, just to be able to quickly and effectively give quality results to your customers without necessarily having to spend 3-4 hours. This is going to just make you more efficient and your customers happy in the long run, because now we've got clean seats and everything can be dry when they pick it up. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll put the link for the GG6. I'll try to get the links. There's to this pad from Ian. You can just see, here's our pad. You can wash it, reuse it. Also comes, he has a foam backing plate. So again, Ian, I'll try to get the links from you guys. For those, this is, I wouldn't necessarily say it's a prototype, but it essentially is kind of a prototype. And then our Bonnet Pro Rocket Revive It for those of you that want a fast, efficient way to clean interiors. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.